Hey, Robert Kiefer here with HydroHero, and we're down in a crawl space of some new construction, and want to point out some things that you should think about when it comes to drainage, mold remediation, and the humidity. So let's go ahead and jump on down here. Okay, so when I come down, one of the very first things that I notice is, you see, this is the drain tile. This is just a 4-inch perforated pipe with a sleeve on it, and this gets clogged up very easily. So there needs to be a stone aggregate that's around this, and the whole thing really needs to be wrapped with a non-woven DOT approved geotextile. So you can see that it's higher over there and just lumped and thrown in around this bucket here, or this sub pump basin. So this is not a very good install of drain tile, and this is what ends up leading to so much flooding. You can see here it is as well. There's no aggregate around this. So this thing's going to get super clogged up really fast, and there's going to be a major flood in here. You can see the drain tile already. Should never be clogged up like that. So I'm not sure if it's going all the way around. We're going to look into that, but some of these homes already have mold growing in them. Luckily this one doesn't yet, but we got to get this thing encapsulated and conditioned properly, and it can't be done with the HVAC system, and that's why we're getting called out to a lot of these from builders are starting to realize that the HVAC system doesn't work, and if they want to avoid having us come out do mold remediation, they need to have dehumidification done by an actual dehumidifier that's properly sized and really made to handle crawl spaces, not one that you pick up at a big box store. So that's all I have for right now. Would love to walk you guys through some more stuff, but got quite a few of these to look at today. Anyways, if you have crawl space issues, give HydroHero a call at 302-321-7077. Find us on the web at hydrohero.com. Thanks so much.